If you got an AR-15 pistol, you need to make sure you're within the legal laws. Most every state is the same. You got a few exceptions. You just need to check the ATF regulations. You can get online, they're pretty much every place. Your barrel length must be shorter than 16 inches. This one is 7-inch barrel. Your length of pull measured from your trigger to the end of your stock. This one is 10.5 inches. And the overall length must not exceed 26 inches. This one is roughly 23 inches. You cannot have a vertical forearm pistol grip. It can be an angled grip, a hand stop, but you cannot have a forward pistol grip. I've got this AR set up with a laser so you don't have to aim it. It's got a button here on your forearm that you push. Pretty accurate. This one's got a 30-round magazine. It's pretty much your standard AR-15 except for the length, overall length, and the length of the barrel. Everything else is the same. Always make sure you know the laws in your state.